Now we will solve the quantitative aptitude portion. The first question is given as the total surface area of a cube having the side of 53 centimeter. Let's draw a cube. This is a cube. Okay. So if we say area is a having the side of 53, side this is 53. If we say that area is equals to 53 square, and total number of side 1 2 3 4 5 6 side, so total area is equals to 6 into 53 square. So let's solve it by unit digit. We can solve 3 into 3, that is 9, 9 into 6, this is 54, unit digit is 4. So option B is correct. In the question number 2, the distance between the center of two circles having the radii of 7 semi and 9 semi is root 15 semi. Find the length of the direct common tangent. Okay, let's draw two circle. This is circle number 1 and whose radii, okay, later stage, and another circle is like this. Its center is here and center is here. Okay, now let's connect it. So this length, this, if we say this is AB is equals to root 15. This is a root 15, and on the other hand, the radii for the circle, if we say this is a circle P and Q, this is 7 semi, and for the Q this is 9 semi. So find out the length of the direct common tangent. We have to find the direct common tangent length. So suppose this is a common tangent. Okay, wait, this is a common tangent, so we have to find the length of this. So the formula to find the direct common tangent, length L is equals to root over of distance square with the distance between the two centers of circle, and R1, this is radius of first circle minus radius of second circle, and whole square. So this will be whole square, this is root 15 and whole square minus R1 minus R2, that is 2 whole square. This is equals to root over of 15 minus 4, this is root 11. So option C is correct. The question number 3, the length of a train and that of the platform are equal. Okay, with the speed of 72 km per each, and it takes 100 seconds to cross the platform. What is the length of the train? So the velocity is given. So for this train problem, we know that the velocity is equals to distance per time. Distance is equals to length of the train plus length of the platform divided by the time. So we have to find the length of the train, and it is shown that length of the platform and train are equal, so we can say that 2 into LT by time. So now we have to find the LT is equals to V into T by 2. Velocity is equals to 72 km per hour into time, 100 second, so divided by 2. We have to find in the meter. So first of all, we have to convert this velocity to the meter per hour. So 72 km hour into this is equals to 1000 meter per hour, 3600 second. Okay, this so 36 to 72, so this will be 20 meter per second. Okay, so the value will be 20 meter per second into 100 seconds, cut down by 2. This is 10. Final value is 1000. Option D is correct. In the question number 4, the simplified value for this, you have to simplify it. So this whole value, this is 10 minus 10, this whole value 0. 10 plus 10, this is 20, and this is so 120 into divided by 240 into 6, sorry 6. Now 2, this is 3. Option B is correct. In the question number 5, simplify the following trigonometric expression. So cos to the power 4 theta minus sin to the power 4 theta plus 1 sec square theta. So we can treat this as a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So the thing is that cos square theta plus sin square theta, cos square theta minus sin square theta, second bracket plus 1 and sec square theta. Now this value is equals to 1, and on the other hand there is cos square minus sin square. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So substituting this, the value will be cos square theta. Let's substitute this sin square theta is equals to 1 minus 1 plus cos square theta and plus 1. Okay, now second bracket and sec square theta. Now if we open the bracket, this will cut square theta, sec square theta is equals to cos square theta. 2, option A is correct. In the question number 6, a man deposits 8,700 at 15% interest rate of simple interest per annum. The total amount of will get at the end of 16 years. So simple interest formula is equals to PRT by 100. Prime amount 86700 into rate is 15 divided by 100, not the rate only, 15, and time is 16 years by 100. Now cut it. Now the value will be 87 into 15, uh, 811, so 1305, and multiplying with 16, 6 3 0 18, 7 1 5 0 3 1 0 8 8 0 2 0 8 8 0. Now the total amount will be 20880 plus 0.92. So option C is correct. A man sold an article for 120 rupees, thereby gaining 20%. The cost price of the article is, we know that selling price is equals to cost price into the 100 plus the profit percent. So that selling price is 120. We have to find the cost price, and this is 100 plus 20 divided by 100. CP is equals to 120 into 100 divided by 120. So final cost price is 100. Option B is correct. The question number 8, two varieties of rice costing 45 rupees per kg and 60 rupees per kg and are mixed in the ratio of 2:3. What is the price per kg of the resulting mixture? For the mixture, we have to find the weight average. Weight average price is equals to, this is 45 rupees into, if we say this is a 2x kg, plus 60 rupees into 3x kg, and total is 5x. So this will be 19 plus 180 divided by 5, 270 divided by 5, this is equals to 54. This is 54 rupees per kg. Option B is correct. In the question number 9, the perimeter of a square is equals to the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. If the side length of the square is 18 cm, find the area of the equilateral triangle. So let's draw this. So this is a square. And this is a equilateral triangle. This is an equilateral triangle. The perimeter of square. So perimeter of square is equals to the perimeter of triangle. Okay. If the side length of a square is 18, then perimeter of square is equals to 18 is into 4. Okay. Find the area of the equilateral triangle. We have to find the area of this. So the perimeter of triangle is equals to 72. This is semi square. Okay. So if we say each edge is A, then 3A is equals to 72. A is equals to 24 semi. So area of the equilateral triangle is equals to root 3 by 4 into A square. Root 3 by 4 into 24 into 24. 6 just 24. And the final value will be 144 root 3. Okay. Option B is correct. Then the question number 10. Two cyclists Priya and Neha are training in a circular track. Suppose this is a circular track, where this is the starting point, and Priya and Neha. This is Priya and Neha. Priya complete one round in 15 minutes. So Priya complete one lap in 15 minutes. On the other hand, Neha took 20 minutes. If they start together from the same point and move in the same direction, after how many minutes they will meet again? Okay, fine. So let's take one distance which is related to, let's take the LCM 15, 20. This is LCM is equals to 60. So let's say the total distance that from this point to total round is about 60 meter or kilometer. Let's assume this 60 km. Okay. So Priya 15 minutes goes to 60 km. So in 20 minutes it goes 60 by 50 into 20. So this is equals to 80 km. Means when Priya, when Neha reach here, it already goes 60 plus 20 km. That is equals to 80 kilometer. Okay, this is almost 20 kilometer more faster, and in each lap Priya is 20 kilometer more than Neha. So after first lap it is 20, after second lap it is 20, after third lap it is 20. So total is 60. So it covers the distance. So after third lap they will meet again. So it is after how many minutes they will meet again in the starting point. So with respect to Neha, first 20 minutes, because at 20 minutes she covers the distance. After 20 minutes and another 20 minutes. So total is 60 minutes she covers. So after 16 minutes they will meet each other again. So option A is correct. A box contains 4 red balls and 3 green balls. Okay. And 5 blue balls. One ball is picked at a random. What is the probability that ball is either red or either green? So total number of ball. Total ball is equals to 4, that is red, plus 3, that is green, plus 5 ball, they are blue. So total is 12 ball. So random, what is that ball is either red. The favorable outcome Favorable outcome is either it is 4 red or 5 blue balls between these 9 balls. Okay, so the probability will be this 9 by 12, this is equals to 3 by 4. Option C is correct. In the question number 12, Hitesh and Jitesh travel the same distance at the rate of 30 km per hour and 43 km per hour respectively. If Hitesh takes 26 minutes longer than Jitesh, the distance traveled by the each is. Suppose the distance is d. At the rate means its speed. The speed of Hitesh, this is 30 km per hour, and speed of Jitesh is 43 km per hour. If Hitesh takes 26 minutes longer than Jitesh, means time of Hitesh 26 plus time of Jitesh. The distance traveled by each is, we have to find the distance, total distance. So for the first one, d is equals to, we know that speed is equals to distance per time. D is equals to speed into time. For the Hitesh, this is equals to 30 km per hour, or into time is, we don't know about the time, we know the ratio only. So say time of Hitesh. For the Jitesh, the distance is equals to 43 km per hour and time of Jitesh. This is equals to 26 by 60. This is in hour. Now time of Jitesh, this is in the time in hour. So both the distance are same. T time of Hitesh 43, time of Jitesh. Now the thing is that 30 into plus time of Jitesh equals to 43. This, let's calculate this. So this is equals to 32. So this is 13 plus 30 time of Jitesh is equals to 43 time of Jitesh. Okay. Now this value will be 13 time of Jitesh is equals to 13 time of Jitesh is 1 hour. So distance is equals to 43 km per hour into 1 hour, that is equals to 43 km. Answer is A is correct. Find the volume of a cylinder of radius of 4.2 centimeter and height of 10.5 centimeter. We have to find the radius of cylinder. The volume of cylinder, this is a cylinder. Okay, fine. Now the radius is 4.2 semi and the height is 10.5 semi. V is equals to the area into height. Area is equals to pi r square. This is pi into 4.2 semi square into height is 10.5 semi, and this pi value is 22 by 7 into 4.2 into 4.2 into 10.5. This is equals to 0.6. This is 10, this is 10. So in phrase 22 into 6 by 10 into 4 2 by 10 into 10 5 by 10. So 2 is a 10. Now this value will be 582.12. Option B is correct. In the question number 14, in a cricket match, a batsman scores 90 runs, which included 6 fours and 3 sixes. What percentage of his total score did he make by running between the wickets? Total run is 90 and boundary runs is equals to 6 into 4, 3 into 6, it is equals to 42. Then running runs is equals to 90 minus 42. This is equals to 48. So the percentage is equals to 48 by 90 into 100. This is value is 53.33%. Option C is correct. The question number 15. The roots of x square plus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0 are alpha and beta. Find the value of alpha square plus beta square. So if the two roots are alpha and beta, then if we treat it ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, then this is general form of the equation. Then this alpha into beta is equals to c is equals to 6, and alpha plus beta is equals to minus b is equals to minus 5. So the alpha square plus beta square is equals to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta is equals to minus 5 whole square minus 2 into 6 is equals to 13. So option A is correct. In the question number 16, the question is, from an 80-meter tall tower, the angle of depression to the top, midpoint and base of a 40-meter tall pole are A 45 and B respectively. Find the value of tan A plus B. So basically, suppose this is a tower and this is land. Its height about 80 meter. Okay, so it's up. There is a 40-meter tower, and the angle of depression means from the top, from the midpoint of this, and from the ground point. This line, and another is this line. So it is saying that the angle they are forming, so first of all this, and another is this, and another is this. So the angle 1, this, it is saying it is A, and the second angle, this is 45 degree, and the third angle, this is B. So you have to find the tan A plus B. So the first angle is unknown, but second angle is 45 degree, means this one. As it is a right angle triangle, if this angle is 45, this angle also 45, and this angle is 90 degree. If that happens, then this length and this length both will equal. So let's find the length. But this is ABC. Whole part, this is 40, and this part is 20. So the AB is equals to 40 plus 20. This is 60. So the length BC, that is equals to BC also, horizontal length. So in that condition only possible, this is 45, this is 45, and this is 90. Okay, now if I say that tan A is equals to, this is length, this length, tan is this length divided by this. So this length we already know, this is 40 divided by this is 60. This is 2 3. Tan B is total, and this, the total is, this is 80 divided by 60. This is equals to 4 by 3. Now the thing is that tan A plus B is equals to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A multiplied by tan B. So the value will be 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3 divided by 1 minus 2 by 3 into 4 by 3. So the final value is about 18. Option B is correct. In the question number 17, let's simplify it. So this is a square minus b square formula divided by a minus b. So this is a plus b multiplied by a minus b divided by a minus b. So both cut, a plus b is the final answer. 797 plus 113, this is equals to 019. So a is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Let's meet in next part.